Strongest Minds. This week we're talking about stress, and I want to talk about a remedy today for our kids that are going back to school. There's also a lot of worry and lack of confidence. Are people going to like me? Am I going to make new friends? All of those things. And plus, how about you feeling overwhelmed about how others are going to see you? So today I'm going to talk about a remedy for confidence. So mixing it with these stress remedies that I'm talking to you about, maybe Elm, or choosing the one that you feel connected to, adding Larch from Bach flower remedies, LARCH, which you can get from any health food store or order online, is really going to help. So if you're worried about lacking confidence, if you're worrying about tests coming up, your kids going back to school, a project you have that you're doing at work, going into meetings, having to speak, something where you need to feel your best, this mixed with a remedy like Elm for the stress and overwhelm is going to make you kick butt. It is beautiful. Sometimes you feel it in your shoulders. This is going to help you. So it's called, again, it's Larch. It's for lack of confidence. It is going to help you feel determined, have a high sense of self-esteem, unworried about failing or success. You are just going to go in feeling really good about yourself. You're going to feel empowered, and you are going to feel your best. You're going to be able to live your soul's journey, the path that you're here to live, your purpose. That's what this remedy is going to do for you. It is a totally amazing and simple remedy, and you're going to feel the changes really within days, my friends. Take care. Amy Cohen, Strongest Minds.